Cakespen.com claims to offer stylish fashion items like men's athletic shorts, vintage zip-up hoodies, and trendy jeans at massive discounts, sometimes up to 75% off, along with free shipping on orders over $39. But is it really as good as it sounds? There are a few red flags that stand out, making it worth a closer look. The website uses product images that seem to be taken from other retailers, which raises concerns about whether customers will actually receive what they order. It also has a recently registered domain, meaning it hasn't been around long enough to establish credibility. Another issue is the lack of direct customer support, which can make it difficult to resolve any potential order problems. Additionally, its trust score is low, and there are no genuine customer reviews available to verify its reliability. While the deals look tempting, the combination of these factors makes it important to be cautious before making a purchase. If you've had any experience with Cakespen.com, let me know in the comments.